Hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 and this is a video of single pin picking a Draper 45mm all-weather padlock. Doesn't have the protection cap on the bottom. Must have torn off at some point before I got it given. This has actually been in my naughty box for quite some time. I picked it, but not sort of consistently. It's actually quite a pain, not sure why, but it's a lovely pick, and obviously you don't have full set of picks for no reason, and tension wrenches etc. So after a little play about the other day, I found that one of the Peterson flat 5 tension wrenches works an absolute treat. They come in different thicknesses, so they're actually quite flexy from sort of 1 up to 5, so they get really flexy and start getting thicker and thicker, so not as flexy. They have different sort of thickness gauge tips on them. Excuse me. This one works wonders, plus the length helps it get over the weathering sort of guard piece at the bottom. Pick I'm going to use is a Peterson DeForest half diamond, or Reacher half diamond, whichever term you want to use. It has got a really springy keyway, which you're probably not going to be able to see it, but you can actually feel it through the wrench. It is under a lot of spring tension. Other tension wrenches I was using were just sort of pinging out when I'd picked it, so that was a bit of a pain. See, that one obviously works around that. It can go into the pins using top of the keyway. Bottom of the keyway, say, was hit and miss. Back to fronts, get lovely clicks from the pins when you're setting them. There's minute movement of the wrench, but you do have to come backwards and forwards and dance over them. It's like working with serrated pins, to be fair, even though they're probably all standard. So to the back, tension on, and it's medium tension. I had it then. It's a bit like picking an American lock. You don't know if you've actually got it until you add a bit more tension, like so. And that's picked open. Like I say, that is really springy. So that is a Draper all-weather 45mm pain in the backside padlock single pin picks. So thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.